guys, so it's me again, Mamasita Nicoll, of course. If you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe after you watching my video. So today, we are going to Vashon Island, riding the birds from Seattle, Washington in Puget Sound. And I hope you guys enjoy this video and God bless! So guys, this is the starting of the day. First, we're gonna pay our ticket, and before we're gonna go in the barge. It's a long line, a lot of car, but it's okay. It's gonna be fun today. So right now, first we're gonna park the car. Oh wow, we have a lot of car in here. Look at that, it's really neat, guys. We are here in Vashon Island. O, diba? I'm super excited na kasi hindi ko alam kung ano ba ang view dito sa Vashon Island. Baka different siya sa another side. O, diba? Right now, we are here in downtown Vashon. Ito yung downtown nila. It's not really big, but it's really neat. It's not crowded. They have lots of shop. And they have some, bar. Ayan. Bookshop. Another stores. It's really cool. And first, we're gonna get some food for our lunch. So anyway guys, we are going back now in Tacoma and we are waiting for the birds. So anyway, I'm gonna tell you some story about here. It's a really neat place. It's like a farm, like a province. They have a lot of farm, beautiful trees, really neat downtown. It's not really big, but it's really peaceful, So I can't wait to share this video again to going back in Tacoma. So it's time to going back in Tacoma. We do the same thing, park the car, and then after that going upstairs making some video. Ito naman yung Mount Rainier. Pinakamalaki na bundok dito sa Seattle, Washington or sa Tacoma. Makikita mo talaga yan. Even you gonna drive around in here, you always see this mountain. everyone. So I just got home here in the hotel. I have a really long day today, but I have fun. Riding the boards and walking around in the downtown there. They have really neat downtown, very peaceful. And anyway, I just want to end the video in here. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you guys have a good day and God bless.